Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe your favorite weather. What kind of weather? Now remember, weather is not season. Weather is related to one day, not the whole thing. Winter is season, summer is season, spring, autumn, they are seasons, right? When this weather usually occurs, you can talk about the month. What you usually do during this weather, activities. Explain how this weather affects you, impact of the weather on you, and explain why you like this type of weather, reason for your likeness. Okay, so please, you can start.
A weather is actually a short-term change in atmospheric conditions. Due to this change, I am able to love. I am able to love the weather. I am able to feel. Okay, sorry. Due to this change, I am able to go through the weather I love. The weather I love is a raining weather in spring season. Due to the reason I love that weather is I am actually a nature lover, and in this season there is greenery all around, and rain actually double that green beauty of that greenery. In this season, I am actually on the other hand, I am actually I love traveling, and and this season provides me a best opportunity and a good opportunity to travel and spend my time in that environment and in our nature. That actually that nature helps me to figure me out and think and give me a time to spend with me.
Okay, all right, this is a good try. When you started, you got confused and you were like blank what to do and all that. So you're starting, we call it first impression. First impression should be very clear and to the point and all that, right? Overall this is good, although there were some grammatical mistakes, sentence structure mistakes, but overall you tried to speak, so I really appreciate that. But the way you start, if you get stuck in the beginning, really this is going to give the wrong impression to the examiner, right? Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Do you often pay attention to the weather forecast?
Yeah, I usually pay attention to weather forecast because in these days there is a certain change in weather, and due to that certain changes it can affect my plans, and these actually I have certain plans just to if I am out of my plan order, then this will affect my daily routine.
This is very good answer, but just try to be more fluent. Okay, how does the weather affect what activities people do?
Actually, what I think weather affects many things. If let's say I talk about myself, that if I have certain plans and it's start raining and I have to go to market, then I would not be able to go and do that. Stick to my plan. In this way, weather actually disturbs, or you can say help. On the other hand, weather can help people. If they are going on vacations, and if they start raining in summer, then if they start raining, then this will help them. Okay,
that's fine. Overall, part 3 was better than part 2. So focus part 2 also. But anyways, the way you are speaking, at present I'll give you 6 band, because in part 3 you made very good sentences. So keep it up like this, but focus part 2. And especially the way you start, it should be quite impressive, and then you can go on with the explanation.
Actually,
right?
in part 1, I was stuck on that word.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.